Hello everyone, welcome to Pine Network's configuration tutorial series. Today we will be configuring link aggregation. We will be using the LACP protocol, so let's dive into it. First, we create our port channel using the command interface po1. We need to configure our port channel interface as a layer 2 port. We will use the command switch port under the port channel interface po1. Next, we need to set the system priority of our multi-layer switch. The default priority is 32,768. And finally, we need to configure all connected interfaces as layer 2 ports, as well as adding each interface to our channel group. We will repeat the same task on the other router. Let's validate our configuration. We will use the command show ether channel detail. Perfect. Thank you for watching.